10 habits to rewire your mindset. Your life changes the moment your mindset changes. Start with these 10 habits. 1. Wake up with a purpose. Don't start your day by scrolling your phone. 2. Read at least 10 pages daily. Feed your mind with ideas that help you grow. 3. Exercise every day. A stronger body supports a stronger mind. 4. Replace complaints with gratitude. Focus on what you have, not just what you lack. 5. Keep your promises to yourself. Self-trust is built through action. 6. Spend less time on social media. Protect your attention like it's your greatest asset. 7. Learn something new every day. Growth begins with curiosity. 8. Surround yourself with positive people. Your environment shapes your thinking. 9. Reflect before you sleep. Ask yourself, what did I do better today? 10. Do one difficult thing every day. Comfort keeps you the same. Challenges help you grow. Your mindset isn't changed by one big decision. It's shaped by the small habits you repeat every day. Follow Zenith Wisdom for more psychology, discipline, and self-improvement.